First we check the wheel and tyres. Tyre tread patterns should be clearly defined with no damage on the sidewall. Check the pressure by squeezing the tyre. If not resistant, use your pressure gauge for an accurate reading, and fill if required. The mudguard should have no damage. Also checking the mounting brackets are secured correctly. Squeeze the brake lever to check pressure. Look closely at the brake pads to confirm they are not worn out. Repeat this once again on the rear brakes. Moving the display, check the mounting bolts are tight. Twist and manipulate the handlebars to confirm this. Lift the front of the bike and make sure nothing is loose in the neck area above the wheel. Turn the gear selector on the handlebars, check that each gear change matches the change in the box itself with the yellow indicator. Look for worn or misaligned teeth on the front and rear gears. Confirm the chain does not have excessive slack. Pull on the pedal assembly to check for any movement due to loosened bolts or issues with the motor. The pedals have a reflector on each side. Check for any damage, and in the process confirm that the pedals themselves are not loose. Grab each side of the bike box and move it to confirm its stability. Squeeze the seat to feel for any damage. Check the catch and release is working correctly. Make sure the seat pole is not bent and is able to be adjusted smoothly. Remove and reinstall the battery to confirm the mounting bracket and contacts are undamaged. Check the key barrel is working correctly and the alarm is in working order by arming and disarming the system. The key should lock in place when the bike is turned on. To turn the bike on, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. The lights will automatically turn on in low light and off in sunlight. You are able to control the light manually by pressing the light button. Press the I info button. You are able to cycle through trip, total travelled, max speed reached, average speed. The plus and minus buttons are used to select the power level for the pedal assist.